shoes. What kind of shoes? Just wait. Until it opens. You got it? You break it? So, what inside? Wow. It's Jordan. Let's take a look. Open slowly. One. What inside, guys? Wow, nice color. Ooh. It's original. Maybe fake.
China made.
Ay, naku, made in China.
Secret ng Adidas.
Why made in China? Better made in Indonesia.
Yeah, much better. Oh, see? I like this.
I will check. It's original.
Yeah, it's original.
Original?
Yeah, it's original. But only the thing is China made. Even my Jordan 11.
Made in China as well. Wow, very nice. Nice color.
Ah, yeah, it's original.
Huh?
It's original.
Original.
It's China made. China.
So some people said when the shoes is original, you can smell it. It's made in China too.
Yeah, China also. China also. That you can see inside.
Wow, it's nice. You have collection, Jordan? Wow, plenty Jordan, guys. Look. Right.
Because you can see the stitches.
Yeah, yeah. Ay. Nice color. I like this one. Alright guys, see you. See you when I see you. Bye.